Hey Dreamers, this is Jade. I hope everyone is doing well. I took advantage of some Black Friday sales and actually after Black Friday sales, and I wanted to share it all with you, but I wanted to wait till everything that I bought came in the mail. So now everything is here and I'm finally getting to show you. I'm so excited because I haven't opened my stuff, well, some of my stuff, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Anyway, first of all, I am a Chic Sparrow fan. I do not have a huge crazy collection. My first ever was this deluxe and Mr. Darcy, and this is a super, I can't remember the name of it, super deluxe, but it's got the 6 strings instead of just the 4, and this is a pocket size. So I've had this for quite a while, and I decided earlier this year to try my hand at the second chance sale because I wanted an A6 size to house my A6 size journal, and I kind of regret that decision. I did end up getting this, which there's nothing wrong with this. It's a classic Mr. Darcy, and I don't so much mind classics if it would have been in a leather that I actually wanted, but I didn't really care for this at all, and I'll probably end up selling it on the buy sell trade, or if anyone's interested, you guys let me know. It's A6. It was in the second chance sale, and I used it like very minimally, and so yeah, I'm pretty much done with this. But anyway, so I did take advantage of, I think the Black Friday sale was like 30% off. So let's start with my first package. I bought a classic because that's all they offer now in this leather, because I think it's a golden Maverick. And I think that they used to do the stitching and all that kind of stuff, but the leather was breaking. I mean, the leather was breaking, like their machines and stuff, so they had to stop doing the stitching for the Mavericks. But it's such a pretty leather, and I wanted one, so I was like, I didn't care if it was a classic. So here is my first one. I think that sale was like 30% off. Why am I doing this? Let me see if I can just slide this out. So it comes wrapped in this. Generally, I think they come in a box. However, for the sales, they sent most everybody's stuff out in blue packages unless you requested a box. So get that. Got this little Chic Sparrow card, and I think it just has like a general message from the Chic Sparrow team. Yeah, and that's what the postcard looks like. And here are my order notes. And yeah, I got the classic golden brown Maverick in A6 size, and so that should also house my journal here, or my next one, because I am anticipating a, what do you call it, cafe note from Nanami. Woo! Look at this. Yes. See, now this I can get with as just a plain leather. This is so pretty. Plain on the inside. You get 4, with this, the size that I got, you get 4 elastics. And then look at that sheen on that leather. Look at the lightning strikes throughout it. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to start using this. And it smells good too. And it came with, of course, the classic little, what do you call it, storage cloth for it. So thank you, Chic Sparrow team, for this one. Now, after, let me see if it has the actual, I can't remember exactly what I paid. However, I do believe that whatever the classic Maverick golden brown A6 size is, I'm pretty certain it was 30% off. So my next one, but then of course right after I ordered this, they decide to have a sale where all TNs are 50% off. So I kind of couldn't resist doing another one. I was like, okay, so let's do that. And so now let's see what that one is. I'm excited because I had been wanting this leather as well. I'm pretty sure it is a Hemingway Madrid. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, so you get the same packaging. Same stuff. I'm wondering, I think some people's, maybe I'm missing, oh no, it's there. Just I'm pretty sure some people's stuff came with like a little sticker. But this one is there. And yeah, for the order notes for this one, it is a deluxe Hemingway Madrid in passport size. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. And so, you know, I wanted another kind of passport pocket-ish size for myself to house some of my little notebooks, and this is freaking gorgeous. I love this little thing. Oh my god, they did such a good job. Look at the little pockets. This is so cute. Okay, so on the inside, of course, you get the 4 strings. Again, that's just the regular deluxe. I think there is another one. Why can't I remember the deluxe name where you get like 6 strings or whatever? But my other one is 6 strings, and I figured that I really don't need that anymore. So the 4 strings, it will be just fine for me. And if I need extra, I can always jump band, whatever I need to. This is the first time I've had one with the pin loop on the side here, so that's cool. And just look at that gorgeous piece of leather, and the hand rub is perfect. It's not too much, not too little for me. So I'm really, really loving this. Again, they knocked it out of the park with this little piece of leather, this notebook here. I love it. It is so cute. And then, you guys, they staggered these things. I wish they had done it all at once. So I bought that, and I thought that was going to be the end of my Chic Sparrow journey. But if I was being honest, what I wanted most of all was a folio for my what do you call it, my A6 size notebooks. And as soon as I ordered that 10, they then also came out with a coupon code for 50% off Folios, and then added it all. It was a mess. So I was like, you know what? Okay, this is the last go round. Let's do it. So in a matter of a month, I bought 3 more Chic Sparrow TNs and or Folios, whereas I had one for years, and then recently added to the collection with the one that you know, I wasn't like overly thrilled about. So, and now I have 3 more. I think I may be becoming a little bit of an addict. So we shall see anyway what this one is. Anyway, the folio again is A6 size for my journal size. And I think they started running out of the regular normal bags, so this kind of looks like a cheesecloth or something like that, or netting. Again, you get the card. Let's see if a sticker came in this one. And it probably came, yeah, got a little sticker. It's the same one though. Same one. And the order notes here, I ordered the A6 Mockingbird folio in the Nightingale, which should be a nice light gray color, which gray is one of my favorite colors. Purple is my favorite, and then black and gray are like my second favorite colors. So let's see. Love it. Yes. And it feels so nice. It smells really good too. So this folio, we look on the inside. First, here's the outside, if you want to see it. There's the logo, and then the inside is nice and plain. Let's see how this, I don't know if it'll fit with this cover on cover. This is going to be a little thick chunker here. Yeah, see, I would need to take this out of the cover. We'll see how that looks. Let's see if it'll fit now. And this is this notebook I have is an A6 Stalogy. So we'll see how it's looking in this bad boy. Let's see. All right. Nice and chunky and full. Digging that. Definitely digging that. So I am very pleased with my orders. And I think I didn't spend any more than, like, including shipping, like $50 for each piece of leather. One was more around like 45, I think, the smaller one, and this one and the other one was more like 50 something, 40 something. It's like $47 and change or something like that it came to. I wish I had printed out what my actual totals were, but you guys get it. It was a great sale, especially considering that these are usually, they could probably usually cost you well over $100 for one. So I am very pleased with my Chic Sparrow orders, all three of them. I love them. I think they look good. Love the leathers. I love the colors. So I am happy that I got to take advantage of that sale. Now I'm going to stop rambling about that and get on to a couple of other things that I did order. First of all, this lady here, I am in the Chic Sparrow group on Facebook, and this one lady was showing her inside her notebook, and she had the cutest little, what do you call it, paper clip, a decorative clip. Now I usually don't get into like the clips and stuff, but it was so cute, and I had seen it before and didn't know where that person had gotten it from, but I found it, and it was this lady called the Woolly Planner. It was a hedgehog paper clip, or decorative clip. And when I went to her site on Etsy, she actually didn't have any more listed. So I asked her when she would be restocking, and she got back to me like almost lightning fast, and she was like, I've already listed it again. You can go ahead and order. So I went ahead and ordered it, and let's check it out together. I'm trying not to rip stuff. I'm going to try to save this, stick it in the journal, whatever. And I like save tissue paper and stuff too, because every now and again I use that in my journals as well. Okay, here we go. Yes, look at this. It's so cute. Okay, guys. Look at this little cute guy. I think his name is Herman. Herman the Hedgehog. Or is it Frank? I think it's Herman. I can't remember. Let's see if this is... Yes, it is my notes. I'm just going to cover up my address here. But yeah, his Hank the Hedgehog clip. And she put like a little note here. Very nice. Anyway, he was $6. The shipping was $3.75. For total, it was $9.75. And it looks like she included a bonus little holiday clip as well. Oh my God, you guys, let's look at him. He is so adorable. Why am I having such a hard time getting stuff open today? Like, what is going on? Oh, okay, because it's this way as well. That makes a little bit of sense. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, how freaking cute is this little guy? Oh, absolutely love it. So cute. And then also she included this kind of festive holiday clip, which is cute as well, but not as cute as Herman there. So anyway, if you want to check her out, she is the Woolly Planner on Etsy, and she's got other really cute little felt paper clips and stuff like that. So yeah, go check out her shop. And then lastly, I did order from Capital Chic Designs, and she makes stickers, and I love her sticker dolls. And so I think it was half off of whatever the stickers cost. It was half off of the stickers. So in total, I spent like maybe $22, but I got a whole lot of sticker sheets, whatever. So yeah, let's go through them together. And she included a freebie as well. So alright, So we have the freebie. And she is all glammed up and ready to go out. Get it. And then we have the winter collection. This is number 2. I love her. Just love the outfit. This is so like more my style. Just some jeans, some boots, or some sneakers or something like that. And keep it moving. Love this one as well. This is winter collection 3. Again, this outfit is so cute. And this is the winter collection 2. Again, I just all of these here, I just love the outfits. They are so cute. And I love the doll. I think she's named this one Jamelia, and this is the winter collection 1. No. This is winter collection 2. And this is Jamelia 1, Jamelia 2, Jamelia 3, Jamelia 4 of that collection. Guys, I know I'm all over the place. Just bear with me here. And then this one is WB Jamelia. I don't know what the WB stands for. Winter break, I think, maybe. Something like that. Anyway, again, nice, comfortable. Got some hot chocolate, some earmuffs. It's me all day because I am cold all the time. And then I got a couple of the Naughty Santas, and I could not decide because I love them both. So I got them both. And this is the Naughty Santa number 1. And this one is a Naughty Santa number 2. So I am looking forward to playing around with these little stickers in my journals and whatnot. And thank you to Capital Chic Designs. If you guys do not know, her name, the owner of this company, her name is Lamika Austin. Check her out on Facebook and Instagram. But she's also, her merchandise will be in Michael's stores. Like, they're actually coming now. People are ordering them. They're going to the stores and finding them. It's kind of staggering in right now. But if you're interested in her merchandise and like her designs and stuff like that, go check out Michael's. She's in stores now. So that is it, guys. If you have any comments or questions about anything, let me know. And that is going to do it for this video. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel, liking, commenting. You guys are awesome. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. I've been a little under the weather, but I'm starting finally to bounce back. So that is it. I will catch you all in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.